I stage, you see it. You want to rebel my dad.
Bro,
You want to see three
Alkaline said, bro, did you know that I mean, watch it, you know? The man said, the man turn up, you know, and the man said, now watch him, you know. Like the man said, come on now.
Nobody know what I'm doing.
All the cameraman, the man take off his stage, brother.
All the selector.
All the selector come off. All who pay for meet and greet, nobody don't get that to them. The man don't have meet, nobody and greet, nobody.
So yeah, try to tell me say Alkaline still antisocial same way. The man got sons where they are made so the people them pay them money for meet and greet and for take picture and the man don't take no picture at all with none of female fans and none of male fans them and then pay them money for meet and greet. And what kind of style that father?
On the stop one like Alkaline, the first artist forever make a stage clear before them come perform. I want him to like with Vendetta fans, you know, somehow not too delusional. I want to act like say Alkaline are the first to do everything.
Full of opposition, I'm in love. I fashion, we are the music and anaka.
People, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. I know it's a boss, Nandi and I building. So as you see in our thumbnail and as you see in our title, we're here to talk about Alkaline and him being everybody's problem and everybody having an issue with him. So we see where Alkaline performed at Sans and World Dog made a misleading comment, a misleading statement, stated that Alkaline came to fans and he performed and not even meet and greet him not do with him fans them. And you know, a lot of people are run with this because it's fun or it's free to hate an Alkaline. A lot of people love to hate an Alkaline. So we're here to talk about a lot of things as it pertains to Alkaline and him being everybody's problem and everybody having an issue with him. And we have some topics and we have some video clippings for share with you guys and we can expound on it and speak and clarify up some things, because I saw where Kerry posted the flyer and she was asking if y'all saw any meet and green on the poster or on the flyer. So we're here to address some stuff, and all I want you guys to do is make sure you like, subscribe and share to the channel and hit that post notification bell, and also remember to comment and interact in the comment section so that YouTube can push up the channel or push up the video in the algorithm so more people can see it, so more people can really get the understanding of what really transpired and what really went down at Sans. Because I don't know, for some reason, as I said, people love to hate Alkaline for no reason, because people are easily running out and saying that Alkaline this, Alkaline that, him no rate him fans them, him come for perform and him have meet and greet and him no rare with him fans them. So I came here to address and came here to really rebuttal some of these people talking down at Alkaline, because you know Alkaline now really come address nothing. And more time when you really sit back and I really say nothing, people run with things and then I get to know the full story. I get clarity of what transpired, what went down. So remember, like, share and subscribe. You know Vibes and Insight with Nana. Let's just jump right into the topic. So in this first clippings, I want to play with you where World Dog made a statement, or he expresses himself as it pertains to Alkaline Sans appearance. And to me, it may seem in a genuine sense or seemingly seem like it not come from any ill place, but he was just expressing himself, stating that, you know, Alkaline are really boss for every boss, or Alkaline really have that local impact they are. Him whole demeanor, him whole aura, everything about Alkaline just seems superb. But in this clippings, World Dog was saying some stuff that led the public astray, as should say, he misled the public into believing that Alkaline had a meet and greet at Sans, and you know, him never really do it, and him just run off a stage after him perform and whatever. And we see where a lot of people came out and was saying that, oh, Alkaline no rate people, him him take the people him money and him run with it. Him have a meet and greet and him not do it. And we see some clippings with some people that say some things. So me I go play the first clippings with World Dog and make him statement for who no really see it or who no really get to understand where I go and where to come from with why people are say Alkaline no meet and greet and him not do this and him not do that. So listen to this World Dog have to say people.
I stage, you see it. You want to rebel my dad.
Bro,
You want to see three
Alkaline said, bro, did you know that I mean, watch it, you know? The man said, the man turn up, you know, and the man said, now watch him, you know. Like the man said, come on now.
Nobody know what I'm doing.
All the cameraman, the man take off his stage, brother.
All the selector.
All the selector come off.
Come on.
The man said, brother, When we see people on my side, I see the Alkaline man, them a touch him and say, yo, lift up. And the promoter, if you tell the man themself, come off my stage, bro. But did you watch everything, man? The man say, bro.
And the people they want to stay there on video.
All who pay for meet and greet, nobody don't get that to them. The man don't have meet nobody and greet nobody.
You know, see, I big like man say, yo, two shank and left it, not club.
Yo.
And then pull up and say, next
Bro.
nothing.
The man, yo.
If you want them for 15, they
Yo, Chevy man say, who shall run off? The man make a blood clot run like mud. Whoosh.
you have one day for blood, 15 minutes, I 30 minutes,
Bro. The man not take a picture. One picture. Bro, the man not take one picture. One picture, the man not take, brother.
7 seconds, man sing.
Brother.
I 6. The man sing.
Bro.
Almost 15 minutes paper.
Now I really talk, man. I saw me fear move for real, bro. Bro, I say, all the walkway where man walk through.
Clean.
Clear. He won't place clear. The man don't want nobody say hi to him.
Look, you see, man, come on by stage, man, who come there with you, come on by stage, man. Normally, when they sit there, you see most people on stage, on blood class stage, they say nobody. Mr. Rebel, them did they dance to pussy class, I want to dance again, and the man, them cut him and say, nope, not that.
The man not even want nobody wine for him.
Yeah. Mass, yeah. The man, no.
So that me I tell her Vix. Last night me I watch him and in the dog and like the promoter try to get him on the stage while everybody there on, you know. Man did the man say the man not even talk, I man dog them attack. I want everyone like you know just dress box up.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, that was World Dog, you know, and he made a statement, and to me, it seemed like it was coming from a genuine place. It never seemed ill or whatever, but you know, sometimes some people talk, and some things with them talk, it come out and mislead the public, because when you not fully fact check or fully know what you say some things and mislead the public, and then people are gonna run with it. And when you're a person like World Dog, we have an influential status, and people look up to him, or people run with certain vlogs where of him or whatever. People are gonna run with things like this, because also we hear people that say, yo, Alkaline never want take the mic where them are using or whatever, which I can agree and say, yo, it would not even advise him for bring him own mic to the stage shows them where him go or so forth, because, you know, everybody can speak on the mic and talk and spit up in the mic. And as a professional artist or as a superstar artist like an Alkaline figure, I would definitely advise him to really, you know, have him own mic, speak on him own mic. You know, you can't really style the database, and the database don't really take styling that easy, and him always say, yo, them wouldn't mind if him did laps and get 35 years in a prison. So people wouldn't mind for see, yo, a certain thing are circulating in the media with him, or where derogatory or negative about him, so them can run with it, because people love to run with negative stuff whenever it comes to a person like an Alkaline or other people, but mostly like a person like Alkaline. So yeah, we see Kerry post of clippings on her TikTok where she stated that if y'all saw any meet and greet posted on the flyer stated that Alkaline never have no meet and greet in her contract, and well, she never really adjust the part about the 15 minutes performance, but I can definitely say that probably that was in the contract agreement also. But she posted the flyer stated that there wasn't no meet and greet in it. So the thing where people are running saying a meet and greet, it's false. It's false narrative. So watch this, people. So Kerry posted a picture of the flyer, and it stated, where on this say meet and greet, no meet and greet was promoted or proposed to me for my artist. Stop spreading false information. So that is what she posted on her TikTok platform, and I'm sure she probably posted on her story on Instagram also. So that is what she posted, and that is what she's stating, that people needs to stop really spread false narrative and stop run with things when I really go. So she clarified everything by doing that. But you know, people still run with them or run with, because even after she posted that clippings or that picture on her status, I saw where another gentleman came out, and for some reason this gentleman looked like him have some vendetta against Alkaline, pun intended, but it looked like him have some vendetta against Alkaline. And for a while I've seen this gentleman, every time there's something pertaining to Alkaline in the media, this man run out and I say something. So listen what I say, people.
So yeah, try to tell me say Alkaline still antisocial same way. The man got sons where they are so the people them pay them money for meet and greet and for take picture, and the man don't take no picture at all with none of them female fans and none of them male fans them, and then pay them money for meet and greet. And what kind of style that, father? I'm here so you only perform with 13 to 15 minutes. So you tell me say only 13 or 15 minutes the promoter pay if you come perform. I'm here so you would never go up on the stage until everybody come off up to the selector. Not if a rebel will get paid if you go and dance, couldn't dance on the stage, everybody ever come off. And you know use a mic, you know use no mic when nobody use already. Them have to send you a brand new mic for you to use to perform. Alkaline, you have to do better, you know. Remember you do an interview with them, you say nobody not inspire, you know. And the fans them put it where you're there, you know. And you still not show the fans them no love, you know. So you have to know what you do, you know. And them ask you what go on fan then till now and you say boy you in your own style, you're kind of in your own style now. That means say you actually I tell the people them say yes you be in a cartel style one time but you in your style now. You know talk straight but you give the people them a idea if you know say I know everybody be know already but you me say no, it's a good show you do. The fans with you show rum and sell out and you work good and everything. But differently you have to treat the fans them with look more respect. Especially your female fans them. You should have give them a 5 few picture for your cut. You shouldn't do that. You can't go and like say you scan people brother, you have to do better. You see free. Yeah man, I mean I'm bash you, I mean I'm this you. But at the truth, you have to do better. Remember you say the fans them put away there and nobody inspire you. So you know I show them no love. Do what you do, you know, I know what you do, Alkaline. I'm out.
Most of the times, me tell myself, say, yo, me not sure want give some of them things, some of them negative things, attention. No. But you know, it's because of content purpose. And at the same time, really want to clarify and clear the air because of certain things were out there in the media. But when you check it out, it's like for years they've been spreading false narratives about Alkaline, saying Alkaline this, Alkaline that. Alkaline no want to give the dancehall artists them no props, him not give no homage, him not do this, him not give Vybz Kartel no respect. And for years they've been running with that. And countless of interviews are out there where Alkaline is giving his utmost praises and respect to every dancehall artist, but because they know they want him to single out a particular person and give them a specific kind of highlight or kind of praise or man worship. So for years, as I've stated, them been running with false narrative with Alkaline, and it still continuously going on. And we're in 2025 and it's still going on. Like people out here misleading people, telling people about Alkaline this, Alkaline that. And as you heard the gentleman stated about the same style thing, or Alkaline say, yo, him more in a film own style, and he must say, yo, a Vybz Kartel style him did in a Alkaline just did a slightly say it away. But you guys see it, say, yo, them people is so ridiculous and them crazy at so much point. So I don't know, people, you let me what you guys think, but also I have another clippings with another person who goes by the name Nico Fire. You know Nico Fire? I don't know. Nico Fire lives with Alkaline name in his mouth. Alkaline name is at the tip of everybody's tongue, and I don't really like to say that, but Alkaline, a lot of people call him name. We know he's a superstar, he's a celebrity, so we're gonna have to speak about people of high status, but when they speak about Alkaline, it's more so a more percentage of negative than positive. So listen what Nico Fire have to say.
Wanna stop going like Alkaline, the first artist forever, make a stage clear before them come perform. I want him to like with Vendetta fans, you know, somehow not too delusional. I wanna act like say Alkaline are the first to do everything. I do agree Alkaline is very of an introvert. He's an introvert. Yes, we all agree. But nobody make it look like say if you clear a stage and him come perform, that's something great. Or him no want to use a mic where everybody that use for that stage is something great. Other artists do that in the music industry long time. Whole heap of stage show me play, whole heap of big events me go. And when certain artists are perform, not even them entourage can come on stage. The stage have to clean, that's production team alone. So no stop going like it no sense. Me know no rate Alkaline but you not overdo it. Yeah, no rate Alkaline but you not overdo it. And the next thing, when you see rum bar put Alkaline pan their rum, it's just a marketing thing. Vybz Kartel have street vibes rum. So Alkaline I'm competitor. So them just say you are going now. Marketing strategy. We just put Alkaline, look at new rules something on the bottom of the buckle, yeah, and create a little excitement, a marketing thing that. I don't know great that. But them couldn't do it with other artists, them have to do it with Alkaline. Because them know say Alkaline will be compared to Vybz Kartel and people are gonna talk about it. I mean I tell you something, you see what Alkaline next move, guess what I'm gonna do? Alkaline gonna buy one vehicle and post it. And guarantee you, remember say enough thing me say, and it at me, you know. Alkaline so go buy one vehicle and post him new whip. And everybody are going to say a true cartel buy carry him something there. That will be him next move. But probably because I talk it now, him probably not do it. But that would have been him next move. He just part of the game. But him that buy something tough though. Tough.
These people always act as if they know Alkaline's every move. Alkaline is not predictable. He's not predictable like all these other artists. So things you might see other artists do, he won't do it. That's why he says unique, different. Him say unique, singular, we're different. So we're not like everybody. We're not in everybody. We're the over yassa. We're not in everybody. So these people out here, I say them know Alkaline's every move, or act like them know Alkaline every move. No Nico Fire say Alkaline I go buy a vehicle like Vibes Cartel and everything. They are always saying that Alkaline is being compared to Vibes Cartel and it shouldn't happen. But yet, these are the same people out here comparing Alkaline to Vibes Cartel. What does that say? What does that say? That Alkaline really powerful? He's a powerhouse just the same as a Vibes Cartel him up there. So we as a Vendetta fans, we definitely say, yo, we not compare Alkaline to Vibes Cartel because Vibes Cartel in the game longer than Alkaline. And Alkaline just in the game maybe like 10, 11 years now. So we would not compare, but these people out here comparing Alkaline to Vibes Cartel every chance them get. And one thing, what people really need to understand, most of the times when I see Vendetta fans come out to address certain things whenever it comes to Alkaline, it's in defense. It's always in defense because people are out here trying to tear down Alkaline because them think say him not address nothing, him not go say nothing because him not really give a damn about that. Him just focus on the money, him not focus on the haters, him focus on the raters. So most of the time when people come out in defense of Alkaline to address anything, it's because of Alkaline, it's because of the defense. And these people are out here spreading narratives for years. And from the youth come out in a game, they must spread some kind of false narrative. And the next narrative what they must spread is that Alkaline a follow Vibes Cartel with this whole watch thing. Say him a wear 2 watch when Alkaline been a wear 2 watch before Vibes Cartel come out of prison. So I don't know, people. Y'all share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. And I know a lot of y'all are going to be so mad because this a thing it a get bad from bad to worse. So share your thoughts and let me know what you think. I'll definitely comment and address and react to some of the comments.
Full of opposition, I'm an love. I fashion, we are the music and an
And before I say what my officer, let me just put it out there. I love Alkaline music. I listen to Alkaline music. So let me say what my officer. So apparently, Alkaline perform my songs, right? And based on what Real Dog say, the man no interact with nobody, none time. Like people even pay for meet and greet, and him not take the picture of them, nothing. Me I work for Real Dog, they say, cause me never go sans. My whole thing on this though, the comment section I go crazy. Yeah man, that's how I love him because the boss not too friendly, not too anti-social, not too nobody. Me is a Cartel fan. Me is not an Alkaline fan, but I like Alkaline music. I could be an Alkaline fan because my thing is, at some point, this whole anti-social thing, it gets to a point. No way can I pay for a meet and greet and you don't come meet and greet with me and take the picture of them.
Stop right there, so I don't need ever say nothing more, young lady. Yes, so me I talk about people. Why people were outside of Vendetta fan base, were outside of, outsiders, I should say. Why these outsiders I tell Alkaline how for work him thing, how for do him thing, how for rule. Why them people here? And you see what she said? By World Dog. By World Dog's statement she work with, She not work with the fact check, These people don't fact check nothing. They run with every single thing with them sip on the media. Why? What is wrong with people nowadays? Nobody not do fact check no more. Everybody just run with the story. Everybody, well, we understand, say, nowadays people literally just run with anything with them see in them face, and especially Gaza fans. Gaza fans run with every single thing they see. It's just them see things in them face, and it alone them run with. Them not think deep, them not look beyond the thing and just run with everything. Literally people, this lady come out attack where she hear another man say, she got I don't even know if she got the party, but She no fact check nothing, people. Come on, man. Me can't believe. And you should say she's a cartel fan. So definitely Vibes Cartel fans are real sheeps. They are real sheeps because them out here are running all sort of false narratives. And whenever it comes to Alkaline, they run with anything. They run with anything. People, I just can't understand. I can't understand at all.
And let me just throw this out there. I go to one Cartel concert and the way how Cartel interact with him fans, the rapport, the way him pause and interact with him fans throughout the performance and everything. Alright, even if you're anti-social on the media, I get it. You know, everybody a media person. But in person, when you see your fans, then will make you reach, reach. Nah, him have to do better. Una can him have to do better. I want more for you guys. I'm sorry. If
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
No, Alkaline go perform a song, Zin. But on them performance, everybody a talk about. And what Alka do leading up to his performance. Now, I see some clippings where some people are say, yo, when the dog go up on the stage, everybody have to come off the stage. Selector, promoter, everybody where they on the stage. Because I'm not nobody on the stage when I perform. And even the microphone, Alkaline are going to use, you make sure you use the one where everybody are use all night. Now, 2 months of style, Alkaline get in a dance hall. Them lucky even show up. And you can't wrong Alkaline to behave the way he behave. Like paranoid and just avoid the masses. Remember, you might do all of this without a hit song. That them saying. But a longevity are sure right now with Alkaline. And much as how him have songs, them not hit like how them used to hit. But bookings never stop. So what I tell about the man great. And you have to remember, them name wow yeah. And when you understand the arts of humans, you move different. And remember, the youth move like this from him forward through the gate. Now when me see people who did a fight him, start applaud him. You see that now? Turn haters into believers. But yeah man, big up Alkaline. Stay by myself. Enough people don't understand this.
Just like that, my brother. Well said, And as I'm saying, Alkaline a legend in a dance hall. He might call him in a dance hall. The man that need for kill up himself. Him reach a level right now where him not really need for kill up himself. Him solidify himself in a dance hall. Him have hits back at hits, and the hits them still are real, and the hits them still are collect the numbers. The man just realize say, yo, the people them were not too with him, just no go with him no matter what him do. So he's catering to his fan base, his core fan base, and that is what the man a garner him traction from. So me can't wrong him for way that I do. And them I go come sell out him show, and them I go come support him. People rate him. So well said, brother. Well said. And as the way brother say, him turn haters into believers. And me see another brother when named J Progress. He's one of those guys who beat Alkaline every time him vlog about Alkaline. So me have a clippings with J Progress. I say some things I give Alkaline him credit, even though I know them credit can't stay because them never believe in a way, and I know them are believe in a way. So listen to the clippings of people and watch it.
Alright, my people. Everybody knows say J Progress are one of them blogger there. Who now go bias, no matter what I go on. People, me see a lot of people a discredit Alkaline. Yeah man, me know it's controversial from the year Alkaline name. Cause I'm not going to say J Progress, but I always cartel ya rep for. That not change. But, you see at the end of the day, we will give a man when forget. Vibes Cartel great, and nobody can take that from Vibes Cartel, no matter what them do. Them lock him down in a prison for 13 years and him come out greater. So if somebody have what them have and get what they forget, them forget it. You hear Vibes Cartel talk out of film own mouth, so this shouldn't come strange to nobody when me come here to come talk the truth about Alkaline. Vibes Cartel make the world know say him like what Alkaline do for the culture. Him can't stop Alkaline and Alkaline can't stop him. So in other words, Vibes Cartel give Alkaline him credit indirectly to say the youth are doing work and I put in him work, he make a name for himself. Remember, one thing we don't understand about Vibes Cartel, Vibes Cartel and an artist may have a little vibes or we not rate them or something. But Vibes Cartel no bad mind, no artist. And Vibes Cartel now hold down, no artist. You no tell me if you no ever hear Vibes Cartel a hold down no artist yet.
As much as all them, him probably not rate Alkaline or nothing. Me never see Vybz Kartel a go time way yet to hold on Alkaline. I tell anybody where him link with say, don't play him song, don't record him, don't this, don't that. No. Vybz Kartel is a bad mind artist. If you forget something, Vybz Kartel a give you. And nothing back of that. You see me I say? Alright. Alkaline Sons, sure. As much as we want to discredit the youth. Sans Sheldon. Sans Sheldon. Right now, a two real powerful movements me see in a dancehall right now. Me cannot tell a lie, you know. Uno tell me. Uno have a comment section to tell me say a fool in share chat J progress. Uno tell me another movements were bigger than the Gaza movements and the Vendetta movements right now. Since Alkaline get discredit then. How can a man when I do nothing? When I have no impact? When I have no fans? We don't have a movement? How is it that Alkaline can sell off show the same way? Anyway, I'm going to perform it black. People willing to spend their money to go see him. Just like Vybz Kartel. Touch. Me can't believe say yo it really take Vybz Kartel for make them people and know say Alkaline been a do it for the culture or Alkaline a do it for the culture. Me cannot believe it because watch you now, them same people and just that brother you alone, you know. A lot of other people out there believe say Alkaline now do nothing, you know. He's not doing nothing for dancehall or whatever. But the dog been a carry the culture upon him back from when Vybz Kartel was behind bars and I do it from a longer time. So me don't know, them people are Jano. And as me said, them people are two-sided. They're like lizard, them can change skin like a leopard. So Channel people, wanna let me know what you think, man. It's just crazy. It is just crazy because me can't understand them people at more time. And you wouldn't think so them people I wouldn't done half of them thing about. Yeah, me understand the rivalry and the hate for Alkaline, but Channel people, them can't acknowledge and recognize the youth greatness. It have to wait upon Vybz Kartel to say yo, the youth great or the youth are do it for the culture. Come on, man. Channel.
I had to come and speak about Alkaline performance in Florida because people say Alkaline is not relevant. Baby, I want to ask these people, what planet are you on? After seeing this kind of performance and the performance he has been doing for the past couple of months, you say he's not relevant? You know the amount of people who's coming there to see this man? And you say Alkaline is not relevant? Let me tell you, Bounty Killer, I hope you see this performance because Alkaline don't need your endorsement. He never needed it. And it's sad to see a lot of young people in the same age group or the same age bracket like Alkaline is a hater. It's sad to see that because I would expect a young person will more want to uplift and be saying something positive because they're young themselves. But like I can tell you, not everybody that have a mind. You understand? Not everybody is on the same headspace. Not everybody that's on the level to boss up. Not everybody on the level to accomplish something in life. Not everybody on that same level. Some people are just small-minded. What can you do about it? You know, that's just life. That's why I always tell people, if somebody's not on your level and they don't want to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish, they should not be around you, period. So for all the people that want to come under my comments and be like, oh, he's not relevant, Massacre is more relevant, and who's more relevant? Are you watching the same TV and the same shows and the same things that I'm watching? Apparently not. I feel like you're watching totally something different. And it's sad to see these young or these old people, not young, these old people in the game is supposed to be uplifting the young people and
be on a positive level towards our young people to keep the culture going. But no, these old people, I'll call them old because they can be Alkaline father. These old people want the young people to bow down to them. Let me tell you, the only person you're supposed to be bound down to is God, because God is the only person that's giving you breath every morning, that waking you up every morning. Not no man. No man is not waking you up every morning. No man is when you not have food on your table and you suffering and you have things going on in your life. So that the same mankind is the one that turned their back on you when you're at your lowest. And it's God is the one that dare have your back. So I don't understand why these old people want this young man to bow down to them. No, we bow down to no man.
Tell them sexy Carly, make them know. After no man no more than a man. Man are not God, God are God. We no bow down to no man. Same blood run through another man vein, I see him one run through our vein. So we no bow down to no man. And people you know a sexy Carly that, and she a blaze a fire over at TikTok. I'm always a tune into her videos them. And she says she's a Vendetta fan and she a push the movement on a different level. I'm a rate and respect that. So people, let me know what you think about this live and share your thoughts in the comment section. We're gone 30 minutes in our live already. Not in our live. We're gone 30 minutes in our vlog already and we're about to hit the end of this vlog. So make me know what you guys think, you know, already, man. A vibes and insight with a mother one. Is a mother one this. Is a torture this. So you know it go already, man. I'm out. Peace.